this video, we did the veil whip, and then we did a fancy inside roll for the guy. So we started here. Do you want to explain what's going on?
Okay, I'm right to right. I need to show the left hand. I got here from a sugar push, probably. I'm going to go up and over, veil whip, down and then up, roll out, change hands, then side pass,
I'm sorry.
inside roll,
1, 2, 3,
up and
and
over,
4,
on my shoulder,
5, and 6. 1,
side pass
2,
and change.
3, and 4, 5, and 6. Okay, do you want to say anything about the veil whip?
Okay,
You
veil
can do it.
whip here. The part that we want to emphasize is the veil, which is the head loop part. So I'm going to catch this hand as she advances into it. 1, 2, down and then up and let go. So I'm going to do that nice and slow so you can kind of see what the pieces are.
And I just want to say that it is a reverse whip for the follower.
So it's 1 up and over, down, and then up and let go. I land on the shoulder, then roll out. This is an outside turn for the girl. Step down, triple step.
Okay. And so I'm going to do it from here. So it is a reverse whip with an outside turn for the follower. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here's my 5. Here's the outside turn. 6, 7, and 8. Then we went into your move.
Mine's a left side pass with an inside turn, and I'm going to find the shoulder and cut across. I go 1, 2, 3, and 4. I stay close to her. I step across the slot on 4, put my back to her, extend my right hand as I go 5 and 6. Now, as I'm facing across the slot, I can do a side pass with a hand change just to finish this. 1 and change, 3 and 4, 5 and 6.
Okay, can we do that from this side so they can see your, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. There you have it. See you later.